Is my wife still connected to me?
No.
And probably I'm not even coming in 6 months. I am coming
In a year.
in a year. I know of colleagues who work with UN agencies, and every 3 months, if you cannot stay with your spouse, if you cannot move with your spouse, you are given travel every 3 months, every quarter. When you join the UN system, you are okay at a senior level.
Yeah.
I have had a discussion with some people in
Yeah.
there. They maybe at the UN headquarters, you are allowed actually to move with your spouse. And if they were working at an Aliam Hotel as a chef, they would match their pay
Yeah.
to that, so that the family
Come on.
remains together. So the current work system is anti-family.
Yeah.
And therefore we should not be surprised. And probably the collapse of capitalism
Yeah.
will lead us back
Back
to the social intention
yeah.
of God,
Yes.
that a family needs to be together.
Yeah.
Okay? Otherwise, the rejection of, I mean, look at maybe the ambassador or the bishop. He is busy. Now, let me also share with this. You know, my family is an interesting one, that we have Muslims, we have Catholics, we have Protestants.
Yeah.
And probably most of Ugandan families are like that.
Yeah.
So in my family, we're very careful not to talk ill of any religion, because the next relative is a Muslim, is
Yeah.
a Catholic, is
Yeah.
a Protestant,
Yeah.
is a Pentecostal.
Yeah.
I have also seen others take on new religions, like Buddhism.
Yes.
So I didn't know until recently.
And you're speaking to a Buddhist, by the way.
Oh,
I am a Buddhist.
interesting.
Yes, I practice Buddhism, and that's me.
So no, and I think 3 days ago, one
Yeah.
of my relatives came here and was telling me. So when we were going to have a meal, and we were like, in the name of the Father, the Son, he just reminded us.
Yes.
It's like,
Yeah.
then he's like, I am actually Buddhist. This is
Yes.
my cousin.
Yes.
So we're very careful now,
Yeah.
of tolerant.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to say is, when a reverend, a bishop in the Anglican Church is being ordained, maybe the bishop,
Yeah.
you are ordained with your wife.
Yeah.
Oh, you're consecrated with your
Yeah.
wife as a bishop.